Welcome everybody, Chef K here. I want to explain to you what we're going to do for lunch. Everybody's going to have to participate. We're going to build a bowl. Okay, so the first step in this process is going to be to take your bowl, and we're going to put our greens in the bottom of the bowl. Then we're going to move on to the starch. Now we're going to put our veggies. After we put our veggies in the bowl, then we're going to go to the protein. And the protein, you're going to have two choices, a meat and a plant base. Okay, so now we've gone through our 4 steps, and now we're going to take our bowl and we're going to finish it with some pickled vegetables, grilled vegetables, some dressing, some sauce. And you could just go ahead, sit down, walk around, and enjoy your meal. Bon appetit.